Day 8 of Vlogmas, and we're making Truffula trees for the Who-ville village. These are the materials we used to make this DIY. Everything we used was at the Dollar Tree. You will need to use a pair of pliers to straighten the bucket handles in order for them to thread into the broomstick and the pool noodle. Once you do that, put the broom into the pool noodles and then slide in the handle in the middle of the pool noodle and tie the part hanging on the outside to the squish ball. Next, we pulled down some of the spiked parts of the toy, used floral wire to secure the ball to the broom, and then we used duct tape over it to help adhere the ball to the noodle. Lastly, we grabbed one of the colored metallic tape rolls and spiraled the tape down the pool to make it look like a candy cane. If you can get a second set of hands to help you, this will go a lot faster. Trust me. I bent the pool noodle to give it some more character and moved on to the next tree. Now you're just going to repeat the same process to the rest of the trees you decide to make. This, and then the purple and the orange. It's coming together, guys. So I ran out of bucket handles because these were left over from our Belle's DIY the other day. So we took the floral wire and wrapped it around the broomstick that's inside of the noodle and taped it to the stick. Then we slid the noodle up and used more wire for holding down the spiked parts of the ball, and once again attached it to the noodle. So at the end, here are the final results during the day and now at night. Fast and easy Truffula trees for the win. Please make sure you subscribe to know about the next upload that's coming. Thanks for watching. Bye.